Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate WhatsApp with your Wix website. If you want to make it super easy for your site visitors to reach out to you directly via WhatsApp, with just a click, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a WhatsApp chat feature to your Wix site, so you can connect with customers instantly and boost your engagement. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main hub for managing and customizing your website, so make sure you're logged in and at the homepage of your site's editor. Take a moment to look over your site. Think about where you want WhatsApp to show up, maybe in the corner for easy access, or as a pop-up for attention. Visualizing this will help when we get to adding the actual feature. Next, at the top right corner of your Wix editor, you'll notice a search bar. This might seem like a simple tool, but it's actually your shortcut to finding all sorts of useful apps and features for your site. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes you might need to scroll or expand the menu depending on your screen size. Once you're there, type in WhatsApp Chat. Contact us. This is the name of the app we'll be using to add the WhatsApp Chat button to your site. You'll notice that Wix brings up a few related apps. Look specifically for the one called WhatsApp Chat. Contact us. When you click it, the apps page gives you a preview, some screenshots, and details about what it does. Here's something important to keep in mind. This app requires a Wix premium plan to install. So, if you're using the free version of Wix, you'll want to upgrade to premium before you can add WhatsApp. I know investing in a premium plan is a big step for some, but if your goal is serious business growth and direct customer connections, it's definitely worth considering. Before you add the app, I encourage you to scroll down below the app description and take a look at the user reviews. You'll find many positive reviews from business owners and site creators who've used it to increase their responsiveness and customer satisfaction. Reading these can help reassure you about the app's reliability and quality. Think of reviews like chatting with someone who's already done what you're about to do. And if you see any concerns, you can factor those in as you decide. Once you're comfortable and ready to move ahead, just hit the Add to Site button. Wix takes care of the installation for you. It's literally that simple. If you're prompted, follow any on-screen instructions to configure your WhatsApp number or customize the chat button's appearance. Take your time with these options. For example, you can choose colors and placement that fit your site's style, making sure it feels welcoming, not distracting. Sometimes you might need a minute to think about your branding here, and that's totally okay. And that's it. You now have WhatsApp integrated right into your Wix website. Test it out. Try clicking the chat button yourself to make sure it works just the way you want. This simple addition makes it easier than ever for site visitors to reach out instantly, which can make a world of difference in customer support and relationship building. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop a comment if you have any questions or if you want to share how you're using WhatsApp on your own site. And remember to subscribe for more practical, straightforward tutorials just like this. Good luck with your Wix site and happy connecting!